What up, guys? Welcome back once again to another video on the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys had a very good Christmas and a New Year season. I hope you guys are really pumped up for 2024. I'm actually pumped up about 2024, and I hope you are also pumped up about 2024, right? So this video, there's some interesting setup that is currently showing on the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, right? It's a very interesting price action that is currently going on, and these patterns repeat themselves, right? So I want to share this pattern with you guys so you can actually memorize it and practice this same pattern on the market, and I guarantee you are going to find profitability on the market, right? So before you dive in, please remember to subscribe to the channel, tap the subscribe button. If you tend to enjoy this video, don't also forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below if you have any questions that you want to ask me about anything that has to do with forex trading, right? So let's dive right into it. So you're looking at what we have on the monthly time frame, right? Because I'm a swing trader, I usually start my analysis from the monthly time frame. So what can we clearly see on the monthly time frame? Now, when we look at the monthly time frame, we can generally see that the market is in a downtrend, right? And that's the first thing every trader needs to do whenever you open any new chart. The first thing you have to do is to identify the direction or the trend of the market, right? And now looking at this, what can we say the trend of the market is? The market is in a downtrend. Why is the market in a downtrend? The market is in a downtrend because we can clearly see from here, the market came down, came up a little bit, went up, came to the same level, went all the way down, came up, came down again, pulled up a little bit, and also dropped down to the same level, right? So generally, we can see that the market is gradually trending to the downside on the monthly time frame. Now, we have already established the fact that the market is trending to a downside, while the market is in a downtrend on the monthly time frame. What else can we see before we go down on the lower time frames, right? You can clearly see that the market also came back to tap into this previous support level that was structured here. The market projected it all the way to the upside and came all the way down to this level, and then that's when we saw the market also forming a bullish pin bar candlestick formation. That's when we saw the market pushing all the way back to the upside, right? Now let's go down to the weekly time frame and see what we also have on the weekly time frame, right? I hope you guys are paying attention. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. Now, when we come to the weekly time frame, there's also an interesting price action that is currently playing out, right? Now, what we can see is after the market rejecting this previous support level that I highlighted on the monthly time frame, is the previous support that I highlighted, we can clearly see that the market made a huge move. This was the previous structure. We will see it. Previous support, market rejected, came all the way down. Markets rejected at that same level all the way to the upside. Now, when the market was coming back from that zone, we can see that there was a previous resistance level which was located right here. Let me draw it toward here. There was a previous resistance level which is here. You can see the market has rejected on this key level on several occasions. So when the market came all the way back to this level, we saw the market showing several rejection to this level. Now, whenever I'm trading the market, right, and I see the market moving in this manner, I make sure I wait for the market to give me a full information before I decide to jump in on the market. You might be asking, what are some of the confirmations that I need to see on the market before I enter a trade, right? Now, the first pattern that I'll talk about is a confirmation that I love and I trade by every single day is the MNW pattern, right? Now, MNW pattern looks like this. The markets form an M formation, pull back to the neckline, and make a huge push to the downside. The same thing also happens with the W formation, right? The market forms a W, pulls up, we drop back down to the neckline, which is here, and the market moves all the way to the upside, right? So this is how the pattern looks like. This is a pattern that keeps on repeating itself over and over and over again. If you should go back to my previous videos that I've done any analysis on the channel, you realize that I keep on talking about MNW formation, MNW formation, MNW formation, right? And I'm going to create a separate video for that for this pattern alone, right? Now, what you can currently see in the weekly time frame is a beautiful M formation playing out, right? And if you want to see it clearly, we can easily switch our light chart, and we can switch to our light chart, and we can see that the market has found a very beautiful words. Let me take it back a little bit. Give me a second. And you see that the market has found a very beautiful M formation, right? You can see the market just broke below the trend line. So if you remember the illustration that I made, after the market has found the blue formation, you expect the market to pull back to the neckline before the market making a move down again, right? So as you can clearly see, since the market has found the very beautiful M formation on the weekly time frame, we are expecting price to do what? To pull back to the neckline before price doing what? Before price moving all the way down, right? So this is a very interesting price action that is currently popping up on AUD card, right? That I think is a huge swing trade that we can all capitalize on, right? Now, so now yeah, we have clearly established from the monthly time frame that the market is moving in a downtrend, and when we came to the weekly time frame too, we are also being able to establish that the market just rejected off the previous resistance level, and immediately there was a 7 rejections on that level. The market formed, where the market is in the process of forming a pattern, a bearish pattern, which is an M formation, right? So we are now waiting for the market to pull back to a neckline before we make any decision, right? So we need a lot of patience here. So now let's just move to the daily time frame and see what we have on our daily time frame. Now, in our daily time frame, everything looks clear and simple, right? We have already established from the monthly time frame down to the weekly time frame. The market is in a clear bearish environment, right? So therefore, when we come into the daily time frame, the only thing we are looking at is the market forming potential bearish patterns in order for us to join the trend. Like I said earlier on, the first thing every trader needs to do is to determine the direction or the trend of the market. Okay, guys, if you are enjoying this video, please leave a comment below. If you have any question about anything that I've seen in the video that was baffling you, that you want me to create a video about, please leave a question in the comments below. If you're also enjoying this video, please subscribe and click on the like button, right? So let's continue. Now, on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the market just made a huge impulsive move, breaking below a previous support level, now turning resistance. And now what do I mean by this, right? For those who don't understand support and resistance, let me briefly use this pattern to explain, right? Now you can clearly see that we have this resistance here, for which we have already spoken about it on the weekly time frame. Now this is our support level, and it's a support level because you can see the market was rejecting here on several occasions. There was a reaction to that particular zone, right? Now the market went back after with giving it a third touch here, came all the way down, gave it a red touch, pulled back a little bit, and we saw the market breaking impulsively all the way down to below the previous structural level, right? So now this zone right here, this zone right here, which was our support level, is now a resistance because the market has found a new support, which is here. So therefore this place here becomes what? Our resistance, right? So whenever the market begins in this manner, if you trade that and you really understand how the market moves in trends, you understand that the only thing that we are now looking for in this case is for the market to do what? The market to pull up, to make a pullback to this previous support level and make a huge move to the downside, right? Probably to our previous our monthly support level, for which we have already spoken about it. If you are paying attention, I believe you get this, right? So on the daily time frame, the market is going below a previous support, now turning resistance, and the only thing that we are looking at, and that's what I'm not Ruben training this part. I'm training this part with a lot of hundreds of students that are currently learning from me and learn how I trade the markets, right? So if you want to take part of the training signal that I send, if you want to join the community, please I'll leave the link to the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel right in the description below. Just join wherever that you feel comfortable with, and you are, trust me, you're going to learn a lot, right? So let's continue. So from here, right, we can clearly see that we are waiting for price to do what? To make a pullback to our previous support level and our time resistance, and from there we'll go on the 4-hour time frame here. Then go to 4-hour time frame. Then from here we'll move to the 4-hour time frame, monitor this zone, and see how price is going to behave if price should pull back to this level, right? It's a very, very interesting price action that is currently going on. And right? It's a very interesting price action that is currently going on that I'm going to heavily capitalize with my mentees, right? So that they can all make money alongside. Because at the end of the day, the reason why we all came into forex trading is to make some money, right? Is to make money. So we need to make sure that we are always having our objectives at the back of our mind, right? So we won't forget why we came here in the first place. So I just took this back up here to show you how I'm expecting price to play out, right? So this I'm expecting price to come back to be zone again, and from there I expect price to make further move to a downside. Or let me just get something that looks much accurate from what I went to depict, right? So I think this is so like this. The market will go back here, tap into this level and make a huge move to downside. So from here, I'm waiting my student from here to capitalize the market. LD will probably more than 300 pips, right? Redstone less than $100. So Redstone less than 100 pips and this trade, right? Which is going to be a huge swing trade for my students at IFRS to enjoy if it should play out in our direction, right? So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please leave comments below and let me know if you have any question. Don't forget to subscribe to their channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I also had an active Telegram and WhatsApp channel where I have all my mentees there that I share consistent forex signals and forex education. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link right in the description below. Please click on it and join the community, and let's all grow and make money together. See you in the next one.